Okay, this is the worst part. I can't find my car. Yalla, yalla, yalla. There's the guy. All right, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Welcome to another video. Today, I'm back up at my favorite Colorado ski mountain here at Copper Mountain Ski Resort. I'm actually pretty excited about riding today because one, we've been getting a few storms over the last couple days, which have left these major ski resorts with about 4 to 8 inches over the last 48 hours. And another big reason why I'm excited to be back up at Copper is it's the first time I'm actually gonna be able to ride up and go over to the Super B lift. So the fact that it's open today and we're able to ride it is really exciting. Let's strap up our boots, get our gear on. Let's go have us a day. So I'm on this 7-minute walk, which, I mean, in all reality, it only takes you about 5 if you just walk the entire thing. But one of the nice parts about the whole hike up to East Village here that is actually not open is usually when you cross this road that's right behind me and continue onto the trail to the Super B lift, you can actually put your skis on and just kind of cross-country ski over there. But that's the first time I've ever seen it, but it's actually closed the rest of the way. Looks like they're just kind of plowing the road and making it easier for later on, which I get, it's done the last couple days, so maybe they're just making the trail a little bit more safe. Either way, we're almost to East Village right now. Let's go. All right, gang, well, I got some good news and I got some bad news. The good news is, finally made it to the mountain and we're actually on the Super B lift itself. The bad news is, I can't take any of this terrain going back down to East Village because the ski team is actually gonna be practicing all morning. And I talked to the lifty down below and I asked him if this was open for us, and he said, no, it's just for ski training purposes today only, which is kind of a bummer, kind of disappointing, but I mean, all in all, at least it's a beautiful day out. We can enjoy some turns. Probably go back more west towards like Central Village. But either way, weekday, got a couple inches overnight in the last couple days. Let's make the most of it. All right, well, even though we can't go down Super B, at least we still have Accelerator and Central Village to play with. And we can probably even go over to West Village at some point too, if that's open. But the snow today is definitely better than the last time the wife and I were here. Those couple inches over the last few days have certainly helped. Not as much snowpack, and there's a couple stashes just sitting around waiting for you, so that's good. And I'm sure since Super B is only available to like ride up, and you have to come back down here to go back up to the top of the mountain, I'm sure this will kind of get busy throughout the day, but later in the week, so it shouldn't be too bad. But I mean, look at all those views. Hard to be disappointed here at Copper with these kind of views and this kind of terrain. Let's have us a day. You can't manage this, can't break this, boy, I'm funded. Gotta keep my
trees. Wait, you can't manage this, can't break this bar funded. Gotta keep my distance when you now 100. Those the same ones say they love you, lady funny. You can't match my energy, and yeah, you know it. Way too cold, yeah, man, I'm way too cold. Way too cold, yeah, man, I'm way too cold. Way too cold, yeah, man, I'm way too cold. Yes, I meant it, yeah, man, I'm way too cold. Yeah, I'm killing it, I'm the realest. Ain't gotta say, gotta know you feel it. My flow got a Cory, sick as the illest. I know that I'm great and they about to witness me doing it. I went way up, about to go again. See me on the telly, then you tell a friend. You know I'm about to rain, it'll never end. That's I got big dreams, big goals, never settle, gotta keep on going on. Say you got it in that Red Bull, I got the wings and I ain't coming down. I keep it straight, every line is so intentional. This is your moment to let it go. You know that I'm into them way too.
All right, gang, well, so far this morning we've been enjoying a couple runs off the accelerator lift. And it's nice too because they actually opened up 2 new runs off the accelerator lift besides the one that's open for the ski schools itself. But on the last lift ride going up, I actually noticed that the Storm King lift to the right of the accelerator is open, and that's a T-bar that actually goes to the top of the mountain. And in late winter, that's actually access area to how you get to the back bowls. I'm guessing that area is well not open at all, but I think it's gonna be nice to knock off some new terrain here at Copper. So what I'm gonna do is actually take the accelerator back up to the top and traverse over to that T-bar. Figure if it's a new lift, new run that's open for today, I think we might as well go check it out. Let's go see what that's all about. So I just got off of the Storm King T-bar, and it's so cool to be back up here, you guys, because right behind me, although it's closed, from the top of the T-bar, this is actually how you get to the Copper Bowl and the Three Bears lift, which is like all the back bowls here at Copper. It's just so beautiful up here. The surrounding areas are just absolutely gorgeous, and some of my favorite runs in all of Colorado and pretty much the entire world. It's a short run back down to the Storm King T-bar, but it's so well worth it, especially being up here at these views. No complaints right now, you guys.
Feel like John Morant, need a triple double. Told him check the stats, yeah, I got a couple. I don't got a ball, nah, I never fumble. I'm the MVP, now I feel like Russell. Yeah, I need it now. Told him on the lay, I've been moving dog. Yeah, I'm on the way. I don't hear the talk, don't care what they say. I don't got no patience, I can't ever wait. I've been trying to get it, running up all these digits. Yeah, I've been in the gym, I've been up doing minutes. I put in that work, told them it's surely business. Yeah, I see through the face, that is burning bridges. Feel like John Morant, need a triple double. Told him check the stats, yeah, I got a couple. I don't drop the ball, now I never fumble. I'm the MVP, now I feel like Russell. I feel like John Morant, need a triple double. Told him check the stats, yeah, I got a couple. I don't drop the ball, now I never fumble. I'm the MVP, now I feel like Russell. Yeah, they don't want it done like I want it done. Yeah, they say they want it, then they took the summer off. I've been going down the list, checking numbers off. I was checking on your numbers, told them something's off. I was at the bottom, now you know I'm climbing. Now they sending deals, they know I ain't feel like John Morant. Need a triple double, told them check the stats. Yeah, I got a couple. I don't drop the ball, now I never fumble. I'm the MVP, now I feel like Russell.
Okay, this is the worst part. I can't find my car. Yalla, yalla, yalla. There's the guy. right, guys, well, after a few minutes walking around the parking lot like a complete idiot, finally found my truck and ready to wrap this one up for you guys. Had an awesome day up here at Copper, as always. I really wish we could have done more runs off that Super B lift like I was saying earlier. It's one of my favorite spots to go, especially with the wife, and just to be able to walk over there and kind of warm up and then just hit a bunch of runs off that one lift is really fun. But the fact that we still got to knock off some new terrain today up at Snow King was epic. It was a great day all in all, Bluebird day, and the fact that we keep getting these snow surges throughout Colorado and Utah and pretty much everywhere around the States, as far as I'm concerned. It's really nice, especially this early on. December is finally here, and of the 5 seasons that I've spent out here in Colorado skiing and traveling, this is by far the best opening season I think I've ever been a part of, and I can't wait to see what the future holds. So with that, I just want to thank you guys so much again for watching. Hope to see you OOT and ABOOT. We'll see you guys in the next one.